Luigi, how do you assess the efficiency of the new HVAC system installed by Fuse Service San Francisco?
I can't answer yet to this question, but I'm pretty sure that based on the work that we did here, everything will run properly. We are just in the process to finish the last few details on the installation, and we are looking forward to see how the system will work.
Did you have previous old system or it was
No, it was the new construction home is in San Francisco. As you can imagine, there's no proper required for IAC system since there's not that much of hot days, so the house didn't have any AC system. So it will be the first and the new one system.
Okay, how old is house actually?
This house is a Victorian house that was built in the 40s, but the renovation happened in 2021.
How did you satisfy with teamwork of Fuse Service?
Oh, with the teamwork, 100% satisfied from Victor from the beginning. He was amazing. He was following us on every...
This guy?
This guy here, yes.
Right.
Was following us on every single details, make sure that we were satisfied even before we started the project, and he was really detail oriented, going with every aspect of the project, and also the team here, the team. Of course, he was really technical and professional. He was looking at every single inches in terms of details and make sure that we were installing of what we were thinking to install. From the start to the finish, we were able to complete in 2 weeks, including Saturdays. So I would say with a total of 12 working days, we were able to complete the entire installation.
What about the permit and the city inspection?
Permit, it was straightforward. He required, I would say, a couple of hours in terms of releasing the permit. And the city inspection, it happened the first day when we started the project. And it was pretty straightforward, super easy. The inspector came, he was already familiar with the project, so Fuse team was taking care of that previously, and everything went pretty smooth.
Amazing. All right, the next question. Was it easy or difficult to place an order, like to call the company and ask them to come and...
No, Fuse team was, Victor in particular, was always answering, and every day, it was excellent on that. It was super easy. Every single aspect of the project, Victor was always next to us.
Luigi, did our experts answer all your questions about the installation and operation of the new HVAC system?
Yeah, all the team, Victor and the team on site, they were always answering before, during, and after the installation to every question or any potential modification or any technical details that we were asking with the client, and they were always available to ask to all the crazy questions that we had.
Why did you choose our company to install your HVAC system? Maybe did you see another companies?
Yeah, we went through interview with the different companies, and and we went through the details, we went through the price, we went through the timing, and we went through just our 6 cents. And since it was our first project, the first impression that we have with Fuse was good impression, was a good feeling. And so far, I think that we were right to choose Fuse because that impression and that 6 cents at today, it was completely satisfied in every single detail of the project.
Okay, the question with not on my list. You are a designer.
Yeah.
How did you feel about our design, logos, and everything for our service company?
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. But you can, I mean, on that you can. I think it's fine. It's clean. What you can do maybe just do something more minimal. If you see all the new. If you see all the logo in the few years, they trying to simplify and to make it as simple as possible. So I would just take out the colors and making a really simple symbol, and that's it. Yeah. But I mean, this is also, it's pretty, the designing of a logo is also depending on how you want to perceive the. But I think
this is why I'm asking.
Yeah, but how you want to perceive, I mean, you can also, it's completely fine as it is right now. But I think usually the less you the less communicate, and that give also to your customer that you have clear thought and clear mind of what you're doing.